So if you're new to the agave spirits world, or if you've been around for a while, you've probably heard agave and you've probably heard maguey. But which one of those is correct? Today I'm going to break that down for you and tell you how and when to use each term, because there is a correct way. So is agave and maguey the same? Short answer is yes, they're referring to the same plant. However, context is everything. Let me explain. Alright, so when do we use agave? Agave is the scientific name for the plant. So it's speaking specifically for biology or taxonomy of the plant. For example, agave angustifolia. I'm drinking right now an agave angustifolia. But what does that have to do with maguey? Maguey is the common name that is used to describe the plant. So you'll hear mezcaleros use maguey, or in markets or different communities will use the word maguey to talk about the species of the plant. For example, right here, I'm drinking you might have said espadín. Espadín would be one of the common names that is used to refer to an angustifolia. In this case, we're drinking a pelón verde, which is a type of angustifolia. So when agave is used, it's really tapping into the scientific global community because the taxonomy of the plant species is known around the world. On the other hand, when we refer to the maguey, we're really tapping into the rich cultural significance that the plant has in certain communities. For example, agave potatorum would be what we know as maguey tobalá or a maguey papalometl. In some regions it's called maguey papalomé. It all refers to an agave potatorum. I go back to the angustifolia, which is a maguey espadín, espadilla, pelón verde, bacanora. These are all common names or magueys that refer to the same angustifolia, the same agave. So a quick recap, when you're talking about agave, we are referring to the scientific name of the plant. And when you're talking about maguey, you're referring to the common names given to that plant. And there could be a wide array of different common names depending on the regions that refer to the plant. So when you pick up a mezcal bottle, check it out and see what it says on the label. It might say 100% agave or it might say 100% maguey. And you'll find that if it says agave, you're going to find the word angustifolia versus if it says maguey, you'll likely find the word espadín. So whether you call it agave or maguey, we understand that this plant is at the heart and soul of this fine spirit we know as mezcal. I hope this gave you a better understanding into the world of mezcal. And if you like videos like these, make sure to subscribe and leave your questions and comments in the section below. And as always, I'll catch you next time.